Hello audience and YouTubers, I'll be unboxing this universal bike holder which is from Android. The item weight is 400 grams. I ordered this in for 378 rupees. The original MRP is 999. So I ordered this from Amazon for my cycle. So the specifications are, this is 30 into 10 into 6 centimeters, and it can be used on your cycle. So let's open this product. So this is the product. I'll keep the box aside because in box there is nothing apart from this. I'll remove this. So this comes with a soft pad. The build quality is really nice. This comes with the adjusting screws. So the screws are, there are 3 screws, 1, 2, which helps you in like 360 degree turning. You can tighten it as your wish. And this is the extender. This is one more screw, and this opens like this. So this fits with every phone. It will fit with any phone. I have this iPhone 6. So I'll put this, I'll just tighten this up, just tie this screw and you are done. So it fits like this, and it has a 360 degree rotation, as you can see. So let's go ahead and fix this on my cycle, and I'll tell you how to fix this. Let's go. So I'll show you how to fix this on my cycle. I have a monitor downtown. So we'll fix this rubber first on the handlebar. You can place it here or this side. It's completely on your wish. And after putting this rubber, we'll just open this casing over here, and yeah, we'll go ahead and fix this over here. Yeah, so now you can adjust where you want to keep this. You want to keep like this or keep like this. We have this screw. We'll fix this screw over here. This is creating some issue. So what I'll do, I'll just push this screw and I'll fix like this better. This actually needs to be inside this one. Yeah, so this is fixing now properly with the X. So once it is fixed, now you can actually set this rotation with the help of this screw, which is over here. You can see the screw, this one. So yeah, you can just tighten this screw, adjust it properly, and with this you can open and put your phone over here and retract it back and just tie this screw, which is over here. So yeah, all set. I'll show you how it looks on the cycle. Yeah. So you can see this will look like this. It's completely fair. I can see this is a completely rugged. It's nice, hard casing. I don't think so there will be any problem with the phone. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.